Okay, here we go. Bit of an update. Been a little bit busy, but we're here again. A little update. We're on air, and we have Milo and Atlas in the house. Although Atlas looks slightly disinterested. Milo is always interested, isn't you, Milo? Hey, yeah. Right, so where have we got to? I think I'll end up switching over to the other camera. Bring Robbie out, so we can see where we've got to and what we've done. So bear with me. We'll get the other camera up. Alright, here we go again. Still Milo and Atlas in the house, and need to update where we've got to. Let's have a look. Come on, Robbie. Okay. Not sure whether you can see all this from there. But the basic thing is that we've now got a fully functional flip top front. Just like that. So I'll go through what I had to do. Yeah. Let's show you this. So first stage was to create some sort of mounting to take some hinges. These were Mercedes ML hinges that I bought second hand. I wanted some decent hinges that would take some weight because it's quite heavy. So to fabricate some brackets, also picked up on the inside there, let me see, on that side. That was the first stage. Then plate them, captive nuts. So I had a mounting for these. I'd set the height where I knew it needed to be. Then I built a frame. It's only roughly cast in at the moment. It's all got to be bodywork finish, but built a frame to support it. And bear with me, just take this out. I have got some gas shocks for this, but I don't want them in the way at the moment. So then, obviously, as the original bonnet came along this edge here, down. But of course, hinges are not made to take that much of a radius. A small radius, but not much. So what I did was sliced it, created a new bulkhead either side. Again, it's only roughed at the moment, but it's pretty good. Got some gapping to sort out, but I'm pretty happy with the way it's turned out. Considering I also added 50mm to the bonnet. Not that you'd be able to notice. Doesn't even show. 50mm to the bonnet. We've got the radiator outlet in properly now. Before it was just a, I can't remember where I put it actually, but I bet I've still got it around. Just a big glass fibre box that I Zeus fastened to the back of the radiator before, because the bonnet just lifted off. I could never have it on there properly. So that's going to be nice. We can get some hot air out. Yeah, so we added 50mm to the bonnet. We've sliced it, diced it all over the place to create a new bulkhead. Up we go. So, got some gas struts to fit. I know they'll take it. I've tested them already, and I've put on just some basic mounts. The radiator now sits obviously further forward, so I've got some basic radiator mounters in. I've got some bonnet stops in, so they support it. In the end, oh, and catch. Quite a monstrous looking catch on there. Good one for catching me bunts on later, I'm sure. But what I've gone for is this. It's a Ford Focus, I think, electrical boot release latch. And that actually mounts there nicely. Look how nice how it mounts. And the catch for it now mounts on that. So it's going to have an electric release for the bonnet. I'm going to bring some bracing across here, obviously. Once I've got this fitted on, know where and everything else, I'm going to bring some in so it ties into these radiator mounts and finishes this off a bit better, a bit more strength. But really, it's done. A lot of work, but it's only glass fibre and metal after all. But it'll make an amazing difference to working on it. Let's just switch over. So, like I say, we're done as far as that. As far as the bonnet conversion is concerned, apart from body working, which I'm going to put in for others, and some of this work here, but I know I've got to do other work, you know. There's an all mount, all cooler's got to go in. I might put the battery back in the front. I used to run it in the back. I've got plans for that area coming up soon. So I'm going to stop with the bonnet stuff now and get on with something else that's been niggling at me for a little bit. Yeah, I'm pleased with that. I really am. It's come out well. So you can't even tell it's been extended. So I'm chuffed with that. And the bulkhead's not too bad. It's got to have some bit of finishing doing to it, but on the whole, we're good. We'll raise windscreen wiper. I don't know what to do, whether to go back to the other ones or not. I'm not worried about that at the moment. I say, I consider bonnet hinge fabrication complete. Please subscribe. It'd be really nice if you could. Even comment. I'd subscribe because next year we've got another project coming up. Hopefully, anyway. Hope he hangs on to it because I really want to have a go at it. We've got another one to build. But that'll be next year. This one's got to get finished again. Finished again. Hey. Right. Thanks a lot.